Hi everybody, we are kickstarting our hiking season at Grassi Lakes. Yes, finally some sunshine after a very horrific April that we had. But first and foremost, I had to come to Bass Pro to stock up on some brand new bear spray because my bear spray is very expired and many bears are coming out of hibernation. And I really need to share Bass Pro with you guys. If you have never seen the Bass Pro at Crossfire Mills, that in itself is a destination. You can spend hours at that store and it is arguably the coolest store I've ever been to, the coolest store. So I just felt it was my responsibility to share it with you, because if you've never been, you're gonna wanna come and even just take pictures inside the store. That is how cool it is. So come with me. Every detail is insane. Seriously, look at the stuffed animals everywhere. Look at detail in this place. Detail. Look, little guy right here. How cute. All right, everybody, bear spray is purchased. Okay, it was only $50. You buy it at customer service, and as soon as you buy it, you have to exit the mall. They do ask you for ID, driver's license. They make you sign a sheet. Bear spray is considered a weapon, so you can't actually just walk around with this anywhere. It can only be used when you're hiking and there's a threat of a bear. So anyways, we are ready and set for the next 3 to 5 years. We don't need to worry about running into bears because we are prepared. Again, I bought it at Bass Pro, and yeah, it was only like $50. It was on sale. Typically it's like $60, $65, $70 or so, but guys, that is nothing compared to the peace of mind and safety you are going to get. So off we go to our adventure. Making a quick stop at Rundle 4 Bay because you guys need to check this spot. You can't miss it. It's on the way to Grassi Lakes, and people actually come paddleboarding here. Okay, the water is thawed. Look at how pretty it is. There's the road, takes you straight to Grassi Lakes. But yeah, look, you see the Three Sisters over there. I don't know what this is called, but yeah, you can come paddleboarding here. It's really beautiful. It's very peaceful. And you come here for sunrise, you get stunning photos. And also in the fall, oh my God, fall photos. Like, I'll put some on here for you guys to see. Super worth it. Woo! I like that. I like that. Here we go. Boom. Here we go. 400 meters, continue straight. We arrived at our destination and it is busy. The parking lot is pretty full on a Wednesday at 11 a.m. Don't these people have jobs? Anyways, yeah, it looks like I might not have even needed my bear spray, but you know, I just have to outrun the slowest person on the trail. But you know, you never want to take your chances with that. But this is a very popular hiking trail, if not the most popular hiking trail in Canmore. One, it's super easy, even kids can do it. And two, the views, the water, unreal, like so worth it. So you know, I recommend coming on off day, because if you come here on a weekend, it's going to be a complete zoo. At the very beginning of the hike, you're going to get two options. This is what is considered to the left, the hard way to do it. It's scenic, it's a little bit more technical, and it's a little bit quieter. Or you can just go upper trail. It's straight uphill, it's easier, it's faster. But yeah, so if you want to challenge yourself, go here. If you want to just take straight way up, go there. So we have started our hike, and this is pretty much will it, you guys. It's a gentle uphill slope. Follow the mountain and you'll get there. It's about 1.7 kilometers. My cardio is absolute trash shit. Okay, I lift weights, I don't do a lot of cardio. This hike for me is the perfect hike to kickstart the hiking season, because I'm gonna slowly work my way up to more challenging ones. You see, I'm already breathing. Anyways, not much else, not much of a view. It's just a straight up trail. But once you get up there, you guys, stunning views of Canmore, the greenest lake you'll see. Two lakes actually. There might be people climbing, rock climbing. Super peaceful, super pretty. That took absolutely no time at all, and I want you guys to see, you can already see right there a little glimpse of this stunning water. There is no color that is more beautiful on this earth than the colors of Grassi lakes, you guys. Dare I say, better than Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, Pito, I don't care. There's no color better than this. This is stunning, stunning. Best part is that there isn't just one lake, there's two. You're treated to two stunning turquoise green lakes, you guys. There's no color more beautiful. No color more beautiful than this. Pure earth. I cannot get over this water. Will not get over this water. There's also rock climbers. Here, you see? Rock climbers, you can do rock climbing here if that's your jam. Over at Grassi. Okay, but look at that, you guys. Oh my God. Yeah, see, a few more. And this is your view, your view. And if you think that those two turquoise lakes are all that Grassi Lakes has to offer, let me show you a stunning, stunning view from up here, okay? Okay, you got your bench here in order to enjoy this magnificent view, okay? Look at that, you guys. Beautiful view. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Yeah. This is so good. Oh my god. Sugary. $1.50. I've earned it, you guys. All right, everybody, we are done with Grassy Lakes. We're back in the car, and I am debating adding one more stop. Okay, I have not been to the Three Sisters in a long time, but typically that's the kind of place you want to go in the morning or in the evening because you get the most stunning reflections and the best photos. This is not a mainstream part. You actually have to know where to go. It's a very well kept secret. I think it's irresponsible of me to tell you exactly how to get there, but you will have probably seen a lot of incredible photos from this spot. And I feel kind of like the itch to go check it out. So you know what? Let's go. Train going by. Loud. Loud, loud. But we are on our way to go check out the Three Sisters. It's very cloudy. I'll show you guys. And we're off this like sketchy, off-beaten path, which is the way to get to this spot. Again, this is like a photographer's exclusive special spot. There are no tours here. There's no road here. As you can see, it's just bush and gravel. And if you know, you know. This has to be the biggest disappointment ever. I am even afraid to add this to my YouTube video because I hyped it up so much, but I've literally never seen this in my life. Typically, there's a pond here. There's water, I promise. And I have a video footage to show you, okay, as proof. In all of my 10 years, I have never seen this. Never. Never. So I guess I'll just conclude this YouTube adventure here with this wah-wah moment. But otherwise, I do hope that you enjoyed the trip to Bass Pro, Grassy Lakes, and that you like and subscribe. I will try to be way more diligent at posting videos of things to do in Alberta, like really fun activities, hikes, maybe some family-friendly stuff as I start to include my kids in adventures. So if you have kids and you want to know what fun things there are to do with your kids, you know, hopefully you will like what you see and maybe even share some tips. Have a great day, guys.